Should be in there. You check by where the AC and all that is. They leave it outside of that. got to do this.
Water pump.
I have to change that shit. Is it hard to do the water pump?
Nah, this one was pretty easy.
It's not on the belt side or anything?
Yeah, it's on that belt, on the exhaust belt.
What do you think about the gear wrench, torque wrench?
This shit sucked, bro.
It sucks?
Yeah, I don't like it.
I don't really like it. I hear different things about it. $1,588. $588. Why? Put 4.6 in it. 94.5. The 1.5 would be a V8. Already did it. Already put oil in it. I don't know. I did. He put it on. That's fine. You were to be in. Call on the radio.
This is when I realized I messed up because I put the water pump on. You're supposed to have that cover in place, or at least like lined up. It's kind of hard to explain, but you gotta have that cover lined up. If not, you're not gonna get that cover back on. Even though like I realized I messed up, I still try to like try to finesse a way in there, but there's no possible way of getting that in there while the water pump is fully torqued down, because you'll just end up breaking the plastic, and I broke that before on the 1.5 engines. So basically what I did was I just backed the bolts out a little bit, enough where I could just move the water pump. I just backed the bolts out a little bit, and then I was able to get that cover back on. And then I just tightened it again. I didn't torque it down the second time. I just
I definitely fucked up.
yeah, I just gave it the good and tight spec and called it a day. But yeah, there's another way you can get that cover on, is by just removing that, I believe it's called the inlet pipe on the turbo. You move that, remove the bolts or whatever, and you should be able to slide that cover on. But it is kind of a hassle. It's just, you know, I just thought at this time, let me just back the bolts out and just put the cover on. But keep that in mind if you ever gotta do one of these jobs. Just once you get the belt on, put the cover in lined up, and then line up all the bolts on the water pump, and you should be good. So keep that in mind next time.
You gotta put a nibby racing carburetor on it. Or pull that chain, longer chain, so that's back. How you do it forever, they can just go over the back. What the fuck is that about to do? Wait, your formula is fuel injected? Think I need fuel injected one. Come. Ventura 250 TFI. Or 200. Let's see if they got 200. Tune that shit though. I see that ECU. That shit hard.
I had to reroute this connector and this hose again. I had it on the opposite side, so now it's all good now.